Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, will this year be the year of the AI computers? And the reason why we ask this, of course, we have the Consumer Electronics Show in Vegas that is showing all sorts of new prototypes and real devices that are already or coming on sale soon. And basically coming to retail, basically. And, well, we have, for example, there was HP that showed an HP Spectre X360 that has AI neural processing included. We know that Microsoft is working on a set of new Surface devices, all driven towards AI with neural processing, even on ARM. So we, of course, are starting to see these PCs show up. And this is going to be interesting as according to Canalys, which looks at PC sales, apparently 2024 should be a rather good year where there's going to be a turnaround. And we're all waiting for that turnaround because it hasn't happened really yet. Although it has slowed down, the decline has slowed down at the end of 2023. So if that new rise in PC sales and comes in, that means there could be a lot of people by the end of the year that has purchased a device that has neural processing integrated within the computer. So that also means that they would be technically probably ready for Windows 12 or whatever Windows is going to be, that big new Windows that's supposed to come out this year. Once again, we know something big is coming. We just don't know. Is it, a second edition of Windows 11 AI driven? Is it Windows 12, or will it have some other name? But one thing for sure, something's coming this year which is very AI driven. It will also be interesting to see all the neural processing in there and, how powerful these machines are and how fast will they process everything. One idea that somebody has mentioned on the channel is that Copilot might be slow for a simple reason. It's slow because it doesn't have local neural processing within your PC. And there's a few people that have been saying that maybe the next generation Copilot will be looking for a neural processor within your computer so that you can actually have a very fast working Copilot that really is useful and does a lot more. So this is going to be interesting, and we're going to look at the different announcements of the PC makers, particularly Acer also saying that they're coming out with a set of new laptops and devices for gamers, and also laptops with neural processing. Once again, a lot of them are using the Intel chips with the neural processing capabilities. So that's coming this year, and could be a change in the direction for the market on PC scale. It's going to be interesting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.